Welcome back. Welcome back. Good food, chow time. Chow time, chow time, chow time. Welcome back, chow timers. Today's special is Jolly Bells.
Chow
And we're gonna hit
time!
it with some gravy and some little strips. Some little strip, chow timer. We're gonna see what it do, what it is. Who are you? Who am I? You know? And so, like I've been saying, I've been trying to get better, and I'm gonna keep getting better. I'm gonna make the videos better. I'm gonna try to see that there's no background things playing around this, because chow timers, we need you guys to like, comment, subscribe, tell me where to go next, what to try, let me know what it is, and we're gonna try this. We're gonna give it a try. Oh, hold on. What? You better stay there. Okay. So we got this straight like this. We're gonna dip it. It says the magic dip. It's not the magic stick. It's the magic dip. All right.
What's the way?
Chow time, chow time, chow time, chow time. Okay. Okay, gravy. It's pretty good. Gravy's probably a little bit better than Popeye's gravy. And so we're going to rate this. We're going to give this, for strips, a 7 out of 10. Till next time. Chow time, chow time, chow.